Hi, I'm Leah Winger. I'm in CRN 53214, Section 791. The dashboard shown is a sales analysis for CAT manufacturing. It includes total sales revenue by quarter and by year, including 2019, 2020, and 2021. Next, the revenue is broken into categories such as medical, materials processing, etc. Then we have the top customers based off of sales, the sales division map, which shows how much inventory was purchased and where, and finally, the sales by product line. In order to find the sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020, I'm going to come over here to my total sales by quarter and year and press 2020. I'm then going to look over at the third quarter and see that the total sales revenue is $9,142,297. In order to find sales revenue for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021, I'm going to click on 2021, and then I'm going to click on medical. I'm then going to go to the second quarter, and as we can see, the sales revenue is $2,246,190. In order to find the highest sales by product line in 2019 under the material category, I'm going to press 2019. I'm going to press the materials processing category, and we can see down here that our highest sales by product line is going to be pulsed YT. In order to find the top product line in Germany in 2019, I'm going to still press on 2019. I'm going to unpress the materials processing, and I'm going to click on Germany. Then we'll come over to our sales by product line, and we can see that the top sales are going to be in low YT. In order to find which quarter in 2020 had the highest telecom revenue under the UK division, we're going to come over here and press UK. And then we are going to go to 2020, and we're going to press on telecom. And then we're going to look over here, and as we can see, our third quarter has the highest sales revenue of $125,634. In order to find out who CAT Manufacturing's top customer was in the fourth quarter of 2020, we're going to stay pressed on 2020, unpress telecom, and unpress the UK. Then we are able to look over here at quarter four. I'm going to press on quarter four and come over here to our top customer in sales. And as you can see, it is the Boise company with a total of $223,234. In order to find the top customer for Russia in 2021, I'm going to press on 2021. Then I'm going to press on Russia and unclick this. So sorry. As you can see, it is the Sacramento Inc. with a total of $345,173.